prominent figure in the Luzerne-County Kids for Cash scandal, was back in federal court today to plead guilty to tax evasion. Robert Powell was disbarred nearly a decade ago for his role in the shocking judicial scandal, but he continued to collect fees owed to his former law firm and now admits that he never paid federal taxes on those fees. Action 16 Investigates' Joe Kohut joins us with this update. Joe.
Back in 2009, federal authorities accused Robert Powell of funneling nearly $1 million to former Luzerne County judges Michael Conahan and Mark Chivarella to keep a juvenile detention center he owned full of children. Now he's back in court to admit trying to cheat the tax man. According to court records, Powell's firm, the Powell Law Group, was slated to receive $120 million in attorney's fees from the settlement of an environmental contamination lawsuit in 2014. Even though Powell's license was suspended following the Kids for Cash scandal, he still retained the right to collect a sizable amount of the firm's fees. Powell ultimately collected millions of dollars in fees from the contamination lawsuit, but never paid taxes on those fees. Prosecutors say he didn't file a tax return for more than a decade. On top of it, Powell reportedly lied to the IRS when they started to audit his tax liabilities in 2019. In a statement, Stuart Goldberg, an acting Deputy Assistant Attorney General in the Justice Department's Tax Division, said Powell engaged in a lengthy scheme to hide his income and not pay taxes, and when audited by the IRS, rather than step up, acknowledge his illegal conduct, and pay what he owed, he chose to double down and lie to the revenue agents who interviewed him. As part of his plea, Powell agreed to pay restitution to the IRS in an amount yet to be decided by the court. He's free on unsecured bond while he's awaiting sentencing and is facing a potential maximum penalty of 5 years in prison. Action 16 has reached out to Powell's attorney, but we've not yet heard back. Joe Kohut, Action 16 Investigates.